Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, let us understand wireless network topologies. We can define wireless network topology as the configuration in which a mobile station communicates with other mobile station. So we can define wireless network topology as the configuration in which a mobile station communicates with other mobile station. So we can call mobile station or mobile terminal here. So both are same. So mobile station communicates with other mobile station using some configurations which is known as wireless network topologies. Under wireless network topology, first type of topology is ad hoc network topology. In ad hoc network topology, the wireless device communicate directly with each other without any access point. So in ad hoc network topology, the wireless devices communicate directly with each other without any access point. So when two wireless devices are communicating with each other, there will be no access point in between. So these wireless devices will communicate with each other directly. Such type of topology is known as ad hoc network topology. The ad hoc network topology is also known as independent basic service set, also known as IBSS configuration. So here ad hoc network is also known as independent basic service set, which is IBSS configuration. There are two types of ad hoc network. First type is single hop ad hoc network. In single hop ad hoc network, each node can communicate with each other without base station within their radio range. Single hop ad hoc network are suitable for rapid wireless communication. The applications of single hop ad hoc network are military communication and collaborative applications where conferences are held among groups. In single hop ad hoc network, each node can communicate with each other without any base station. So in between base station is not required. Each mobile station can communicate with each other directly within their radio range. These networks are very much useful in rapid wireless communication. Applications of single hop ad hoc network are military applications and collaborative applications. Next type of ad hoc network is multi-hop ad hoc network. In multi-hop ad hoc network, the coverage area is large. Therefore, to reach some destination, a node can use other node as relays. Here, direct transmission is held with neighboring node. In multi-hop ad hoc network, the coverage area is large. So that's why to reach the destination, a node can use other node as a relay. So here, to establish the communication, the information will reach multiple node to reach the final destination. That's why we can say to reach the destination, a node will use another node as relays. So here direct transmission will be held with neighboring nodes. So in between we are not using the base station. So that's why the direct transmission will be held within the neighboring nodes. The second type of wireless network topology is infrastructure network topology. In this type of network topology, there is a fixed infrastructure that supports the communication between the mobile terminals and fixed terminals. These topologies are normally designed for large coverage areas. In infrastructure network topology, there is a fixed infrastructure that supports the communication between mobile terminals and fixed terminals. There will be some fixed infrastructure that supports communication between mobile terminals and fixed terminals. So these type of network topologies are designed for large coverage areas to cover many number of mobile terminals or mobile stations. This is about wireless network topologies. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.